welcome to Crafter's Story. I haven't done a doodle video in a minute, well, a while, many minutes. And I was thinking that I'm doing some pattern design lately, excuse me, and I'm always looking for new ideas to use in my pattern design. And the idea of doing cats kind of popped into my head, and I thought, well, I have two reasons for wanting to do today's video. The one reason is my cats. I want to draw some cats, and I'm just working on a piece of scrap paper. And the second reason is I'd like to let you guys know about a new doodle video channel. It's a very, very new channel by my friend Jill, and it's called Jill's Doodles. And if you guys enjoy, I find it very find it very relaxing to watch other people as they do art, you know, as they paint, as they draw. I don't know, these little feet go underneath. Would they go on top? I don't know. Maybe I'll go and look for some ideas later. But anyway, for now, the little feet are going to be down there. So I've put a link to Jill's channel, and just thought I would encourage you guys to go and have a look, because she is a Canadian artist, incredibly talented. I wish I could share some of the murals she's done with her partner Chris. Just incredible. So these doodles that she does with paint pens. So yeah, just go and check her out. I think you guys will like the doodles. I don't know about this cat, but hey, I'm just trying different cat doodle ideas, guys, just for the fun of it. And I'll give you a bit of a heads up on how I feel like might be accomplishing this. And I've got no real shape that I'm following. I'm really just making kind of like blobs and hope that it resembles a cat at the end. So the one thing I did notice when I started drawing these cats is that when I put the ears in, so there's an ear there, there's an ear there, the ears are going to be the placement for the eyes. So what you do is you put your eyes directly underneath where the cat's ears are, and that's how you kind of get a little bit of an expression. And also you'll see this cat has maybe I can move this eye over just a tad. I don't know if I did. Anyway, there we go. And then like that. And then at first I was doing my noses that way, and then I realized that looks like a human nose, and that doesn't work. So we need to do an upside down, smack in the middle between the eyes, do a little upside down triangle with rounded corners. And to make the little kitty cat friendly, I gave it a little mouth. So you come down from the center of the bottom of the triangle and just come out like two little half moons. Three little dots, and some whiskers like that, and a tail. So now this one, maybe the tail is on this side, and I'm just kind of doing almost like a young fern. Have you ever seen a young fern where it's all sort of curled up still? That's kind of like what a cat's tail looks like. And then when it comes to the let's see, maybe this one I can put, oh, that looks terrible. I haven't quite figured out the feet yet, guys, so I'm going to not even do that. This is kind of a practice for me with the cats. Okay, I definitely wanted the tail at the back, so that's good. Maybe I won't worry about feet and paws and things just yet. But what if I just, this one has a little heart here. You know how cats sometimes have like a little white patch on their forehead or on their chest? I've decided, and then this one maybe has, these are not realistic little cats. I'm just messing around. All right, let's see if I can do one lying down like this. Oh, I don't know, that looks like a tortoise. It looks like a tortoise. Oh brother. All right, let's see, maybe if I put a tail in and I bring this up a bit. Bring that up a bit. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better. Bring it down, and because they're lying down, I'll go across. Maybe this is where I can possibly try. Let's see if I can do. Man, I'm gonna have to work on figuring out. All right, maybe that works. And then the ears are here. It's gonna like that. Eyes directly underneath, like this. Upside down little, oops, wrong way. Upside down, Celeste, seriously, upside down. Little triangle, which is not even in the center. Crying in a bucket, Celeste, seriously. All right, there we go. I don't know, that looks like a beak. But let's leave it in and see if I can save it. Maybe the eyes are just too small. Whiskers. Oh, actually not too bad. And maybe this actually doesn't look half bad either. As a little, oh, look at that. Oh, I actually think I got that right. All right, so I clearly need more practice when it comes to drawing cats, guys. But let's maybe do like patches on this cat. And I actually think I could probably come up here a little bit. No, definitely not. Okay, scratch that. All right, maybe a couple of little patches like this on this cat. All right, guys, so my cat drawing journey has begun, but clearly needs work. But I'm thinking that once I take my uni ball and I maybe go over it and maybe color them in, you know, maybe they won't look so bad. So I will do that and put up a picture and see what you guys think. But please go and check out Jill's channel and go and like and subscribe. I know she would really appreciate it. And her videos are short, so they're a nice quick little art fix if you are interested. Okay, you guys, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you next time. Bye.